Today we're making barbecue chicken with the new barbecue sauce recipe.
Wait, why aren't we using the first one today?
Because this one has rum in it. Hi, I'm Josie and welcome to this week's episode of Ready, Set, Flambé on the Grill. Today we're making a barbecue chicken with a new tangy barbecue sauce recipe. For this recipe we're going to need ketchup, dried ground mustard, cornstarch, soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce, pepper, rum, sweet chili sauce, and chicken. Our first step is to make the barbecue sauce. To make your barbecue sauce, add your sweet chili sauce, ketchup, rum, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, ground mustard, and pepper to a pot and bring it to a simmer. Once at a simmer, mix your cornstarch and water together and add it to your sauce. Now we're going to let our sauce simmer for about 15 minutes. Once it's been simmering for about 15 minutes, remove it from the heat and put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to cook our chicken. To do that, we're going to sprinkle some salt on the chicken and then brush it with barbecue sauce before we grill it. Grill your chicken for about 5 minutes per side, rotating halfway through. And there it is, barbecue chicken with our new barbecue sauce. For this recipe and all of our previous recipes, you can visit us at readysetflambé.org. From there, you can follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Don't forget to join me next week as I
Remix episode, and I dare you to remix grilled fruit salad.
challenge accepted.